now, and it's December 17th.
Ah!
Don't do that! The camera dulo, no. December 17 at about 3 o'clock. We're out of the house and Ate is videoing us. Video our house now. Videoing us with snow. And like, look at the grass.
And the
And,
tree.
The tree. The trees. Oh my God, it's cold. That's enough. That's enough, Jerome. You have to be ready for your concert.
Stop.
Ano to?